Hello everyone, welcome back to our machine learning series. Today we are going to learn a very popular and widely used algorithm, logistic regression. Even though the name says regression, this algorithm is actually used for classification. Let's understand this in a simple and clear way. Logistic regression is a machine learning algorithm used for classification tasks. Instead of predicting a number, it predicts a probability. The output is always between 0 and 1. Based on this probability, we decide the class. For example, if the probability is above 0.5, we classify it as yes, otherwise, no. The name seems confusing because logistic regression performs classification. But internally, it first uses a linear regression-like equation. Then it passes the result through a special function called the sigmoid function. This converts the value into a probability between 0 and 1. That's why the name includes the word regression. The sigmoid function is the heart of logistic regression. It takes any input, whether positive or negative, and converts it into a value between 0 and 1. If the value is closer to 1, it means a high chance of belonging to the positive class. If the value is closer to 0, it means a high chance of belonging to the negative class. Here is the simple workflow of logistic regression. Step 1. Take the input features. Step 2. Apply a linear equation like weight times feature plus bias. Step 3. Pass the result to the sigmoid function to get a probability. Step 4. If the probability is above a threshold like 0.5, we classify it as class 1, otherwise class 0. Let's take a simple real-world example, detecting whether an email is spam or not. We extract different features like number of links, suspicious words, sender information, and so on. The model calculates a probability that the email is spam. If the probability is greater than 0.5, we mark it as spam. If it is less, we consider it safe. In classification, we draw a decision boundary between two classes. Logistic regression usually draws a straight line or a simple curve depending on the features. If the data is linearly separable, logistic regression performs extremely well. There are different types of logistic regression. Binary logistic regression is for two classes like yes, no, or spam, not spam. Multiclass logistic regression handles more than two classes by training one model per class. Multinomial logistic regression is another variation used for multi-category problems. Logistic regression has many advantages. It is very easy to understand and fast to train. It works well when the classes can be separated clearly. One big benefit is that it gives probabilities, which helps in decision-making. But it also has limitations. It does not work well if the data has complicated patterns. It assumes that the decision boundary is linear. It can also be affected by outliers, so data cleaning is important. You can use logistic regression when you need a simple and fast model. When you want a probability output instead of a binary answer. And when the data is not too complicated. It's widely used in fraud detection, medical diagnosis, credit scoring, and marketing. To summarize, logistic regression is a classification algorithm that uses a sigmoid function to convert linear output into probabilities. It is simple, powerful, and widely used in many real-world applications. Even though it is easy, it gives very reliable results when the data is suitable. Thank you for watching today's session on logistic regression. I hope this explanation was simple and clear. In the next video, we will move one step further and learn about the decision tree algorithm, another important model in machine learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.